Want to save time setting up a new class? Let me show you how to duplicate an existing Google Classroom course in just a few clicks. So start by opening up Google Classroom. We are in R1 and select the class you want to duplicate, which is this one. Next, click on the three dots menu in the top right hand corner of the class card right here. Then from there, you're going to see a drop down and you want to click copy. A window will appear where you can rename your new class and update any sections, subjects or room details if needed. And once you're ready, you want to click copy. And what Google Classroom will now do is duplicate your topics and materials from the original class. You just need to update or delete any old announcements or assignments. And there you have it, a brand new course setup, saving you hours of effort, perfect for reoccurring classes or starting fresh with a new group of students.